Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Karen. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, let's talk about pendulum, and I will be announcing the winner of the Amethyst benefits in my previous post. And the winner goes to... ta-da! Congratulations and thank you for sharing your experience. My mom bought me the first aquamarine crystal bracelet, and yeah, mom is great. Anyway, please contact me at DIYnotion.com. So many of you are interested in how to use pendulum and how it works. There are so many types of pendulums selling out there: crystal points, spheres, epoxy resin, and the raw stones, and made of different crystals and healing stones. I will recommend beginners to use Amethyst or clear quartz pendulums. These two crystals are both associated with your crown chakra. They can help clear your mind and calm your mind when you use it. And I chose the shape of Merkaba to be my pendulum. Merkaba is a crystalline energy field composed of sacred geometry that can adjust your own consciousness, your body and mind. When you get your pendulum, the first important thing to do is to give it a full cleanse. Sage it for 5 minutes, total 3 days, and then expose to the sunlight from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. 4 hours, and then take it with you for like 7 to 10 days. This is to help you easily build a bonding with your pendulum. Just for your information, the pendulum I'm using is the old model that is linked to the chain. The new design can separate the chain from the pendulum so that you can wear it as a pendant. The next step is to activate your pendulum with your love and conviction. You can stay in a quiet, peaceful room, clear your mind and hold your pendulum, move it to your heart chakra and start to think positively, and whisper to your pendulum. Sincerely request him or her, mine is a her, to assist you answering the questions in the future, and tell her that you believe in her accurate answers. You can do this step more often with your pendulum and praise her more often. They will give you surprises in the long run. Now you can practice how to use your pendulum. Take your right hand as an example. If you're left-handed, use your left hand. Hold your pendulum. From the end of it is usually attached to a bead or a charm. The best length is about 15 cm to 25 cm. Now hold your pendulum steady. You can rest your arm on the table. Concentrate your willpower and communicate with your pendulum, like turn in circle. Meanwhile, make sure your fingers and your wrist are not trembling. If it works, you will see your pendulum turning clockwise or anti-clockwise. If it doesn't work, try it tomorrow. Do not force it happen. Pendulum has personality as well. And then you can try back and forth and left and right movement until it works smoothly with you and you can start to ask questions. The questions can be only yes or no, true or false, positive or negative. She's a pendulum. And you can give her a direction before you ask questions, like clockwise for yes, anti-clockwise for no, or back and forth for yes, left and right for no. When you use your pendulum, make sure you won't be disturbed, because this will affect the accuracy of the answer. And don't ask question twice. You promise to believe in her answer. My habit is to hold her and say thank you after I get the answer from her. If you must use your pendulum when someone's next to you, do not speak out the question. You can ask questions in your mind, and your pendulum can definitely feel your question and give you the accurate answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for staying with me, and I would love to know about your wonderful experience with your pendulum. So don't forget to leave me the comment. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.